Did you know that you can dictate the font color and size when you're sending messages in Gmail? Now, if I go to my Gmail account, just log into your Gmail account and try compose an email here, and just skip the to in subject and type here, this is a test email. You notice that by default the font color is black. You can always change this from down here, like you can do it while typing, increase the size, change the color to something else, the highlight color. You can change the font style to that. This is when you're typing, that's not visible, so we're going to like just change this back to this white. But remember that you can always do this as a general setting. So if you want to do this, let's close this draft here, and then we are going to go to settings on the top right hand side if you're on the desktop. On the left when you are on mobile, go to see all settings here, and then once you're in see all settings, just in the general tab you want to scroll down and until you see default text size. So you have some options here. By default it is set to sans serif, so I can click on that drop down and select a different font style. So let's say I want to take something like wide. I can dictate the size to just make it huge, though a bit ridiculous, but I just want to do it for test purposes. Then I can choose text color. So let's take a lighter version because this goes in the background when we were doing it on the other side. Hopefully here it applies on the text itself. So let's go with that. Let's just restore that, and then after that we are going to scroll to the very bottom and click on save changes. Now if I go and try type on compose first and type text here, you notice that now it takes that color. Hey there, this is a test message. So you notice that it is now much bigger compared to what we had before, the black sans serif, and it is wider. So that is how it appears here. Now if you want to change it back, you just go through the same step. Go back to your settings and click on see all settings, and then you're just going to go to this here and click on this format here to remove everything. Remember to scroll back down to the bottom, and then now if I go back and try compose a different email, the text will have now gone back to the original size and color, which can still be changed here, but it is good if you're going to have like something uniform, and if you want to make it a general setting, go through the process that we've just explained.